Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this segment, we'll walk you through the process of replacing your car's oil filter, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or new to automotive maintenance, we'll provide clear instructions and helpful tips to ensure a smooth and successful filter replacement. Join us as we empower you to take control of your car's maintenance and keep it running smoothly for miles to come. Time intervals. In addition to mileage, time intervals also play a crucial role in determining when to replace the oil filter. Even if you haven't reached the mileage limit, it's advisable to replace the oil filter at least once a year. This is important because oil filters can degrade over time, impacting their effectiveness in filtering out impurities from the oil. By sticking to a regular maintenance schedule, you can extend the life of your engine and avoid costly repairs in the future. Keeping up with manufacturer recommendations, mileage intervals, and time intervals for oil filter replacement is a proactive way to ensure your vehicle's engine stays healthy and performs optimally. Remember, a small investment in regular maintenance can go a long way in preserving the longevity of your vehicle. Signs that an oil filter needs replacement. Wondering when it's time to replace your oil filter? Pay attention to these signs that indicate your oil filter may need a replacement. Drop in oil pressure. One clear sign that your oil filter needs replacing is a sudden drop in oil pressure. If you notice the oil pressure gauge on your dashboard showing lower levels than usual, it could be due to a clogged or failing oil filter. Low oil pressure can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly, so it's crucial to have your filter checked and replaced if needed. Dark or dirty oil. Checking the color and condition of your engine oil can also give you clues about the state of your oil filter. If the oil appears dark or dirty, it could be a sign that the filter is no longer effectively trapping contaminants. Clean oil is essential for proper engine lubrication and performance, so if you notice dirty oil during an oil check, it's time to consider replacing your filter. Metallic sounds. Unusual metallic sounds coming from your engine can be a red flag that your oil filter is failing. When the oil filter is clogged or not functioning correctly, metal particles and debris can circulate in the engine, causing friction and leading to these alarming noises. If you hear any metallic sounds while driving, have your oil filter inspected to prevent further damage to your engine. Keep an eye out for these signs to ensure your oil filter is doing its job effectively and to avoid potential engine issues down the road. Regularly checking and replacing your oil filter as needed is a simple yet crucial maintenance task to keep your engine running smoothly. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, about oil filter replacement. Oil filter replacement is a crucial part of regular vehicle maintenance to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Here are some common questions regarding oil filter replacement. How often should you change your oil filter? The frequency of oil filter replacement depends on various factors such as the type of vehicle you drive, your driving habits, and the type of oil filter being used. As a general rule of thumb, it is recommended to change your oil filter every time you change your engine oil, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. However, newer vehicles and synthetic oil may allow for longer intervals between oil changes, and therefore oil filter replacements. It's essential to consult your vehicle's manual or a trusted mechanic to determine the best maintenance schedule for your specific car. Can I change only the oil filter without changing the oil? While it is technically possible to change only the oil filter without changing the engine oil, it is not recommended. Over time, the engine oil collects dirt, debris, and contaminants that the oil filter is designed to trap and remove. By changing only the oil filter, you may not eliminate these harmful particles from your engine, which can lead to decreased engine performance and potential damage. It's best practice to change both the oil filter and engine oil simultaneously to ensure proper engine protection and performance. Do all cars have the same oil filter replacement schedule? No, not all cars have the same oil filter replacement schedule. The frequency of oil filter replacement can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle, as well as the driving conditions it is subjected to. High-performance vehicles or those used for towing or off-roading may require more frequent oil filter replacements due to increased engine stress and oil contamination. Additionally, newer vehicles equipped with advanced engine technologies may have longer intervals between oil filter changes. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations or consult with an automotive professional to determine the appropriate oil filter replacement schedule for your specific vehicle. After delving into the topic of how often oil filters need replacement, it becomes clear that regular maintenance is crucial for the overall health and longevity of your vehicle's engine. By proactively changing your oil filter at recommended intervals, you can prevent contaminants from circulating throughout the engine and causing potential damage. Regular oil filter changes also contribute to maintaining optimal engine performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability of your vehicle. By adhering to the manufacturer's guidelines and staying proactive with filter replacements, you can ensure that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Remember, when it comes to your vehicle's maintenance, it's always better to stay ahead of any potential issues rather than wait for problems to arise. So, make sure to schedule regular oil changes and filter replacements to keep your engine in top condition and enjoy a smooth driving experience. We hope you found our step-by-step instructions helpful in completing this essential maintenance task. By staying proactive about oil filter replacement, you can ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.